The French Revolution, which took place in the year 1789, and the movement continued and ended in 1795. But what were the causes that this movement had emerged in France? Actually, France society was divided into three classes. Okay, the first class, it was so you can see that the French society was divided into three groups: clergy, nobles, and common people. The clergy, as you know, who were they? They were actually belonging to the priest community, and they had so many powers, and they were dominating the society. Next, the nobles means the high rank officers who were owner of big land, and they had all the comforts and luxury in their life. So these two class of people did not have any problem. They had comfort and so many facilities, whereas they were also not allowed to pay any taxes to the government. But the common people, this group, in that the farmers, peasants, artisans, okay, you can say businessmen, small businessmen, traders, they were coming, and their condition was not so good. They had to pay taxes to the government, and in return they faced only torture from the government. So the common and in that time the King Louis XVI, he was the king of France, and he had everything, means comfort, luxury, everything, and he was not concerned with the problems of common people. He never thought to check the powers of clergy and the nobles. So the common people of France, they were inspired by the revolutionary writings of famous French philosophers. Who are they? Rousseau and Voltaire. They were inspired by their writings. Then they started, the common people started to attack on church and the nobility, because in the writing of philosophers they had asked the people, if you want your rights, then you had to finish the rights of clergy and the nobles, and for that you had to attack on church and the landlords, and they did. And through their writings, these philosophers, they asked the people that if your king is not polite and good with the subjects, then the subjects have the right to remove the king from the power. The philosopher propagated that all have the right to enjoy liberty, fraternity, and equality. So these ideas are spread by the French philosophers. Later on, these three words adopted by Indian freedom fighters, they adopted it. So the middle class had a lot of problems. They had to pay taxes, and in return they were not allowed any kind of rights and powers. They were not allowed to enjoy political rights and economic powers. So they called war against them. What were events? How did it start, and in which way it ended? On July 14, 1789, the people of Paris, they attacked on prison of Bastille, and they freed all the prisoners from there. So 14 July is observed as a national holiday in France. King Louis XVI and his queen were arrested and later on put on death in 1793. After that, there was chaos for some time because there was no any authority which will look after the administration and will take care of the people. So in 1795, the National Assembly of France adopted Declaration of Rights in 1795. Declaration of Rights, okay, and declared that man and women all are free and equal. A new constitution was framed and France became a republic with liberty, equality and fraternity. So, as you know that which revolution inspired the French people? The American Revolution inspired the French people to revolt against injustice, to revolt against a cruel monarch, to revolt against a dead authority. After this democratic system established in France, the nobles and the church, they lost their powers, and the land of nobles and church distributed among peasants and slaves, and it developed national awakening among the people of France. Now the last topic of the chapter is Napoleon Bonaparte. France was continuously engaged in war, okay, with the countries from 1792 to 1815. Napoleon overthrew the Directorate in 1799, means it was a council of 5 members and he removed all the 5s and appointed 3, and he was one of them. Later on he became the head of this particular council. Napoleon defeated Austrians in Italy, forced Russia to withdraw from France and defeated Britain in 1802. After these victories, he became the Emperor of France and the Pope attended his coronation ceremony in 1804. But his glory ended. He was finally defeated in 1815 in the Battle of Waterloo. He was exiled at St. Helena Island and he died in 1821. So from this chapter we got to know about the meaning of nationalism, we got to know about the importance of democracy, and we also got to know 3 important words which inspired the French people to call a war against monarch, that is liberty, equality and fraternity, and these 3 words became very powerful word for the Indian freedom fighters because they also adopted these words from the French Revolution. So this chapter is over. You have to complete all the question answers, fill in the blanks and everything, and thank you. बुला के